Hello guys, how you guys doing?
So today we're going to do the quadratic equation.
So let's start. This is our question. X squared minus 5x equals minus 6. So first,
We need to get this formula. So A is the one that has an x squared. B is the one that only has the x without square root or
The
anything.
coefficient
Yeah. And C is the number that does not have a coefficient.
is a constant value.
so we have to make this equation here equal to 0. So
Using this formula, which is the quadratic formula.
So
So-
first,
Okay. So first we need to pass 6 to this side so that the equation equals 0. So x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0.
So now we have to define each variable. As we can see, the coefficient of x squared is 1. So a is going to be equal 1.
Uh-huh.
B, as we can see, the coefficient is x is minus negative 5. So we have b equals negative 5. And finally C, as we can see there, equals 6. So C equals 6.
okay,
So now let's
now
apply
we
that to the
replace,
formula.
yeah, replace the value. So with the formula we can already see here, we already start replacing. So B, we have the value in minus 5, so we can already start negative 5, and then plus or minus the square root. The next, B squared, B negative 5 will go to negative 5 squared minus 4 times A is 1, times C is 6, divided by 2A, which is 2 times 1. First, when you organize this, you already know. Now you're gonna solve this one.
So
Right from the top.
negative times negative
Can you
equals
do
positive.
the
Yes. So negative times negative equals a positive. We have 5 plus or minus and cube square root of
Negative 5, 25.
no yeah.
And again, negative with negative is a positive, so negative
Yeah.
5 times negative 5 is
equals positive 25 and minus 4 times 1 times 6, which is going to be equal to minus 24, divided by 2 times 1, which equals 2.
So 5 plus or minus the square root of 1 over 2. So that this is the simplest it gets, but then we need to solve the square roots if possible. Maybe it's not possible, but in this case,
It is.
Yeah. 5 plus or minus 2. So then there are going to be 2 answers because first we're going to do 5 plus 1, which is 6 divided by 2, so 3. And then 5 minus 1 is 4 divided by 2, 2. So these are all the answers.
And we can finally answer this with x1 equals any of those 3, and x2 equals 2. So we have 2 answers.
And you can always check your answers by replacing the x in the first equation you
To
receive.
see if it equals negative 6 in this case.
So like for example, if you have 2 here, you have 2 to power of 2, 4 minus 10, negative 6, negative 6
Negative
equals
6 equals negative 6.
So you see that the answer is correct.